Hello. So,
Hello, how are you?
okay, so I'm fine, and you?
I'm very well, thank you.
Okay, so basically, I need some information about this task. So mainly, when you want to identify the specific trees on any field, first of all, we have to know some ground truth data. Such as, do we have any ground truth data about this specific trees?
What kind of data? What do you call that?
So this is a ground truth data or specific GPS location data. Suppose you want to go to this trees, then you can find out the specific location, okay, or coordinate of these trees, okay. First of all, we need to the ground truth data when you want to identify the specific trees, okay. Actually it's our training point, okay. When you want to make the training point, we need to get that ground truth data.
Yes, I know where the I know where lots of these types of trees are at various different ages. But I would like, yeah, so I can give you that. I can show you exactly where the types of trees are and the orchards exist now. But I would like you to go through and show me where they've been planted over a time period
Okay, so
using.
what is the time period you want to observe?
So I don't know, how far back does Google Earth Engine go? It only goes back what, 40 years, maybe 20 years.
Yeah, yeah.
So I guess all that's available, however much is available.
Okay, so basically in this time, we can use the Google Earth Engine platform for the Sentinel imagery. Sentinel imagery we can get for the from the year of 2015, and Sentinel 2 satellite imagery is the high resolution imagery, so that we can easily get the more accuracy of this. When you want to use the Sentinel 2 satellite imagery, we can get the more accuracy of the of this identification of the specific trees. Okay, and it's only available for the year of 2015 to present time, year of 2022. This satellite image is available. Okay,
Okay.
okay.
Okay. So how many years? I'm having a hard time with your accent's a little heavy.
Sentinel
Sorry,
5, yeah, Sentinel 5 we can get the access for the 5 years. Okay,
5 years.
5 years. But when you want to work
Oh,
with
so
the
I can only see what's been planted in the last 5 years.
last 5 years, we can observe. Yeah,
But so if you were to just go right now, you could show me all current existing orchards right now today, right?
yeah, yeah. Right now we can also observe it. Yeah,
I
for
guess
the
that would be the most easiest thing to do is just show me where all of them exist today.
yeah, yeah. We can also observe it. Yeah.
So what does that cost just to show me where all of these types of orchards
Okay,
exist
so
today?
first of all, you also provide me this ground truth data. I use this ground truth data as a training point. Okay, and then I run the model using the Sentinel 2 satellite imagery, and then I also identify the specific trees. In this time, I can use here the different types of algorithms such as random forest as well as classification of trees, and then I use this algorithm. Which algorithm I can get the better accuracy? I use this. Okay, and
Okay.
then apply this map, because I create the map without a bad accuracy. This map is nothing. Okay, first of all, we need to focus only for the accuracy. Accuracy is the better or not, we need to focus it. So you can provide me all of the ground truth data, then I also make the classification using the different types of algorithm, and which algorithm I can get the more best accuracy, I use this algorithm, and then make this map for this identify the specific trees. Okay, so you can send me all of the things, and basically in this time we can get the charts for the is classification only for the 200 USD for the classification.
Okay.
Yeah, so if you want, you can just send me your all of the data, and you can also place this order in here. Then I hope within 1 day or 2 day you can get all of the things from me, no problem for this. And you can get also some supported when you want to face any problem or use the data set, you can get the lifetime supported from me, no problem for this. Yeah.
So you're going to do the whole Earth? Is that how you do it? You do the whole Earth?
Yeah, I can use the Golat program. Yeah.
No, but you're going to. So how will you give me back the data? How will I view it or use it?
Okay, so basically in this time you can get this all of that images, classification images, and you can also calculate the area. Suppose how much area it's the cover this trees. We can also calculate all of the things, as well as I also provide you the some map. Suppose identification all of the trees identification map. I also provide you all of the things. And if you need the source code of Google Earth Engine platform, which I run, you can also get the source code also, so that you can easily use the source code for other region also. There is no problem.
Okay, so that's the basic. That's your basic package for the. So your basic says it will do a time series chart also.
Yeah. So if when you want to make the time series analysis, then you also need to put here the some other sources. Suppose in this time when you want to work with for the single image classification, but if you want to add the some more added, suppose you want to make the time series analysis, what is the suppose previous time what's the status of this trees, and now what is the status of this trees, we can also observe it. Then we also need to make the other sources. It's also called the change detection map. Okay, we can also create the change detection map, suppose, and also compare when it will be high, when it will be low. We can easily observe also this. Yeah. So do you also
So
need
I just
do you also need the change detection also need? Yeah.
could you say that again? What would you
Or
say?
do you need also the change detection?
The
Suppose
what?
you want to compare the 2-year satellite images. Suppose you want to make the map for year of 2022 and also make for the 2015, and both of this map you also need to compare and also make the change detection map. Yeah.
Oh yeah. That would be good.
Yeah.
So I can just order the basic package and then give you this year and 2015, and then you'll give me back the data.
Okay.
Is that right?
Okay, no problem for this. And you also must be send me this ground truth data. So otherwise ground truth data I did not access what is the trees. Basically when I open the satellite images for this region, I can get all of the vegetation as a green color, this type of pixel value I want to get. But when you want to give me this pixel value exactly, it is the point for the trees, then I can easily use this point as a training point and I can easily get the result, and easily make this classification map of the identification of the specific trees and make this map. Okay, and also make the change detection. Okay, so you can send me this ground truth data, as well as also send me this also make this order in here. I hope you can get this all of the things within 1 or 2 days.
Okay. And so all you need is a location of the types of trees, is that right? And you can do the rest?
Yeah. So I need the particular location. Particular location means that coordinate, a specific latitude and longitude of these trees, and I also need the boundary shape file of your area. Whole boundary shape file area or boundary area. Then I can easily work with this. Yeah.
How do I give you a boundary?
So basically boundary in this time, okay, so I take it. So it's the only for the United States or whole United States.
For what?
It's for the whole United States. You want to need it?
So what can I use to give you a boundary? I don't know how to give you a boundary.
Okay.
I sent you a link to, I sent you coordinates just now.
Okay, then also better. No problem for this. You can also send me the coordinate of your location. Then I can easily make the boundary and use this boundary in Google Earth Engine platform and make the map. It's also okay. No problem for this. You can send me this boundary coordinate, and it's also better. Yeah.
Okay, so I just sent you a location.
Yeah, location, as well as also send me this the specific coordinate of the specific trees, and all of the things will be done. I can no problem for it.
Okay, so I'll send you 2 coordinates, one in the eastern U.S. and one in the western U.S.
Yeah.
Or maybe I should send it also because they're in South Africa. I know there's a lot there. Maybe I should send you some from that area too.
Okay, you can send me this. I open it, no problem. Yeah.
Okay, so I'll order it and I'll send you those locations, and then you can do the rest. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
All right. Thank you.
Okay.
Have a good day.
Okay. Bye. Okay.
Bye-bye.